curated by 7 beautiful designers. कलेक्शन में उनके पास शिबोरी काफ्तान है, मोडाल सिल्क क्वार्ट्स है, फेस्टिव क्वार्ट्स है, वेडिंग कलेक्शन है. They have lovely options in बंदेज, बनारसी, dress materials, दुपट्टा, sarees, and to complement all of this, they have lovely jewelry as well. All this is happening for 2 days, that is 5th and 6th of December. So don't forget to check them out, the designers courtyard, and to see the collection, swipe left. This is brand Ethnic Diva. Hello ma'am.
હેલો
Yes.
રીતે વેડિંગ કલેક્શનમાં છે.
Okay, wedding
Three
collection
piece.
છે,
हाँ.
3 piece. Look at that, with beautiful dupatta. Okay, all right.
એમાં બધા કલર
Color options are available.
શરારા સેટ
Okay, sharara set options. Lovely. Look at that. Then she has beautiful collection of kaftans that are also perfect for destination weddings, lunches, brunches. This is kala cotton material kaftans that are also very very beautiful and lightweight. Look at that. उसमें भी बहुत सारा ऑप्शन है.
ચંદેરી
Chanderi kaftans are also available. Look at that. Okay.
મોડાલ સિલ્ક
मोडाल सिल्क पीसेस, इसमें भी उनके पास बहुत सारा कलेक्शन है. ट्रस्ट मी, यू विल हैव टू कम डाउन एंड एक्सप्लोर हर कलेक्शन. लुक एट दैट, स्मार्ट पीसेस. दिस इज ब्रांड वेस्टिटो. हेलो मैम. यस,
So I have wedding collection like
Okay.
this.
वेरी प्रिटी.
Also we have work on dupatta also.
लुक एट द डिटेलिंग ऑन द दुपट्टा. ओके मैम.
This type of malchanderi dresses.
ओके, मलचंदेरी ड्रेसेस.
Yes. This one tissue dresses with sharara.
ओके,
Yeah.
lovely. Look at that, beautiful options, right?
Pastel shades.
In pastel shades.
Some
Okay,
subtle.
lovely. So from festive, vibrant to pastel, simple yet chic collection. Look at that. Okay, all right. Again, this is brand Vestito. Look at that, beautiful colors, perfect for festives, wedding collection. This is brand Diyan label, and they also have lovely options in these short kurti quad set option. One very interesting thing, this is a linen piece. उसके ऊपर उन्होंने काम करा हुआ है, detailing of the coin that is given. Along with that, look at this. Beautiful, isn't it? Something very different if you want for the wedding season. They also have blues, then pinks. These are also very pretty. Something in bandhani, if you like, then they have those options also. Banarsi का fusion collection है, that is also very pretty. Also they have some cotton collection. So check this out. Cotton है, tissue है, quad set options are also available. So yes, do check them out. This is Diyan label. Also, something that I am wearing is from their label. It's a beautiful Banarsi piece that is very very soft and comfortable. So yes, do visit them. This is brand Pacheri, and they have beautiful options in sarees. So just look at the beautiful options they have. Then they also have lovely collection of their classic dupattas. This is a badla work dupatta. Look at the options that they are offering. Black, classic black, something in ombre. Then they have something like this in pink and orange. They also have lots of options in dress material. So look at this. Lovely. Also they have abhas. So yes, abha में भी with dupatta, without dupatta के options हैं उनके पास. Then look at the color options that they have. Beautiful, right? And we also have more options, subtle options if you like. We have those options here too. Look at that. If you like pastel colors, they have that option. This is brand Violet by Molly. Yes, ma'am.
યા હાય હેન્ડવર્કમાં છે બધા.
ओके, हैंडवर्क पीसेस आर अवेलेबल. क्वाड सेट्स मिल जाएंगे आपको. बनारसी पीसेस मिल जाएंगे टिश्यू में विद बीड डिटेलिंग.
બનારસી
सी
હેન્ડવર્ક
आई टोल्ड यू, ब्यूटीफुल बनारसी के ऑप्शंस.
વિથ બનારસી પેન્ટ.
ओके, ऑल राइट.
अगेन बनारसी हैंड पेंट एंड हैंड वर्क.
हैंड पेंट डिटेलिंग के साथ है, पटोला के साथ भी ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है. ओके, लुक एट दैट, ब्यूटीफुल, समथिंग परफेक्ट फॉर विंटर नाइट्स एंड इवनिंग्स. वेलवेट ड्रेस विथ राइट सूफी नाइट्स के लिए भी.
ऑल्सो वी हैव किंखाब.
किंखाब भी है उनके पास. वाओ, सो मैम हैज परफेक्ट कलेक्शन फॉर द वेडिंग एंड फेस्टिव कलेक्शन पूरा. Yes, they are into customization also. Lovely, beautiful. This is brand Satika and they are here with a beautiful Banarasi dupatta. Just look at this beautiful blue and also look at the tassel detailing जो इसमें दिया हुआ है. Look at that. Simply beautiful. Along with that, for all the brides out there, look at that. And for people who love red as a color also, look at that option. Pastel and more peach color. Also one very beautiful color, green and blue का उसका पूरा detailing है. Look at the tassel detailing also. So yes, this were dupattas. Now moving on to these are all dress materials. उसमें भी let me show you these. These are पूरा contrast work के साथ, दुपट्टा के साथ, simple subtle option, something in ivory and pink. Look at this mustard and royal blue ka option. Also something very very beautiful. This is Arohi Gems and Jewels and they have brought lovely collection of bridal wear. As you can see, beautiful pieces in delicate as well as statement pieces. Everything under one roof. Look at the beautiful options that ma'am has. They also have these very interesting, these are spectacle chains that are quite in demand. They also have mang tika options. Look at more options in bracelets, loose bracelets. They have more options in beautiful earrings as well. If you want some rings, some pendant set options, lot of options in these. Then they also have these bangles. Look at that. Again, this is brand Arohi Gems and Jewels. And now moving on to some Western fusion jewelry. So these are perfect pieces if you want to pair them with shirts, saris, quad sets as well. Also, if you want to carry them for a party or for brunch, lunch, look at the various options that they have. Very pretty, lovely.